Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, myself Kasle PB, Junior College Teacher, Department of Mathematics from Rayat Section Samsthas RBNB College, Sri Rampur. Students, in the last lecture, we have seen solution of homogeneous differential equation, that is general solution of homogeneous differential equation. Today we have to study the solution of differential equation, particular solution of homogeneous differential equation. Now we see examples for the particular solution of differential equations. Now first example is solve the differential equation. Example, solve the differential equation x into y into dy by dx equal to x square plus 2 into y square, where we have to given values of x and y of 1 equal to 0, y of 1 is equal to 0. Now this is the homogeneous differential equation of order 2 or degree 2, and we have to find the particular solution for this differential equation. Okay, now we see answer for this as, consider given homogeneous differential equation, which is x into y into dy by dx is equal to x square plus 2y square. Now first we find the value of dy by dx here. Therefore dy by dx is equal to x square plus 2y square upon x into y. Say this as the equation number first. Okay, now we use substitution here. Put y is equal to v into x. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. Therefore derivative of y is dy by dx, and for the derivative of v into x we use product rule. First function v as it is, derivative of x is 1, plus x as it is, derivative of v is dv by dx. That is, we get here dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now put these two values, that is value of y, v into x, and value of dy by dx, v plus x into dv by dx in equation first. Therefore equation 1 becomes value of dy by dx, v plus x into dv by dx equal to x square plus 2 into value of y is vx, therefore we can write here v square x square upon x into y, x as it is, value of y is v into x. Okay, that is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, we can take x square common at the numerator, x square into in bracket 1 plus 2v square upon x into x square into v. Now this x square upon x square cancel, remains only v plus x into dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 2v square upon v. Okay, now we can take this v to the RHS, then we can write x into dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 2v square upon v minus v upon 1. Now take this addition. therefore we can write here x into dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 2v square minus v square upon v. That is x into dv by dx is equal to 1. 2v square minus v square means plus v square upon v. Okay. Now take terms of v to the LHS and terms of x to the RHS. Therefore we can write here v upon 1 plus v square into dv is equal to 1 upon x into dx. Okay, this is variable separable form for the given differential equation. This is variables separable form of given differential equation, taking integration on both sides. Taking integration, we get, that is integral of v upon 1 plus v square into dv equal to integral of 1 upon x into dx. Okay. Now here we want to derivative of denominator at numerator. Derivative of denominator is 2v. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of v square is 2v. Therefore we want here at the numerator 2v. Therefore multiply numerator and denominator by 2 here. 1 by 2 into integral 2v upon 1 plus v square into dv is equal to integral of 1 upon x into dx. Now we can use corollary here. Since integral of f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to log of f of x plus c. Using this result, we can find the integration of these two integrals. Therefore, we can write here 1 upon 2 into integral of this log of 1 plus v square equal to integration of 1 upon x is log x plus constant of integration log c. Okay, that is we can write here log of, we use here formula for logarithm, log a b into log a is equal to log a raised to b. That is this formula. Since b into log a is equal to log of a raised to b. Using this third rule of logarithm, we can write here log of 1 plus b square bracket raised to 1 by 2 minus this log x equal to log c. Okay, now we can use here formula for logarithm log a minus log b. Since log a minus log b is equal to log of a into log a minus log b is equal to log of a upon b. Using this rule, we can write here log of 1 plus v bracket raised to 1 by 2 upon x is equal to log c. Equal to log c. Now log cancel out. Now we can write here 1 plus v bracket raised to 1 by 2 upon x is equal to c. Okay. Now we put value of v here. Here y is equal to v into x. Therefore v equal to y upon x. Put v is equal to y upon x. Therefore we can write here 1 plus y upon x bracket raised to 1 by 2 upon x is equal to C. That is, we can write here x plus y bracket raised to 1 by 2 upon x raised to 1 by 2, x into x raised to 1 by 2 is equal to C. Okay, now this is the general solution. This is general solution for the given differential equation. Now we use condition here. We have to given y of 1 equal to 0, that is x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. Put x is equal to 1 and y equal to 0 in equation second. Therefore we can write here 1 plus 0 bracket raised to 1 by 2 upon 1 into x raised to 1 means 1 is equal to C. That is, we get C is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Put this value of C in equation second. Put in equation second. Put value of C in equation second. Then we can write here x plus y bracket raised to 1 by 2 upon x into x raised to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Now here we have to put value of v square. Here is a v square. Okay, therefore we can write here v square. That is, we get here x square plus y square x square, and we can write here x square plus y square x square. Okay, because here value of log of 1 plus v square minus log x, that is, we get here log of 1 plus v square raised to 1 by 2 upon x. Instead of v, we can write here v square, and we put value of v y upon x. Okay, that is, we get y upon x bracket square, and we can take this addition. We get x square plus y square upon x square. Okay, into x raised to 1 by 2, x square into x here, this x, and we put here x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. Then we get 1 plus 0 raised to 1 by 2 upon 1 into 1, 1. And we put value of C is equal to 1 in equation second here. Then we can write here x raised to 1 by 2, here also x raised to 1 by 2, now remains only x here, that is x square plus y square bracket raised to 1 by 2 upon this x 2 cancel, x square equal to 1. That is, we can write here x square plus y square raised to 1 by 2 is equal to x square. Now taking square on both sides, taking square on both sides, here square root and square cancel out, remains only x square plus y square equal to square of this is x raised to 4. Okay, this is the required particular solution for the given differential equation x into y dy by dx equal to x square plus 2y square. Okay, now we see next example here. Now next example is Solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation which is x into dy plus 2y into dx. 2y into dx equal to 0, and we have to given values of x and y when x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Now this is a homogeneous differential equation of order 1. We have to find particular solution of this differential equation. Now answer for this. Consider given differential equation, that is x into dy plus 2y into dx equal to 0. Now we can find value of dy by dx. X into dy is equal to minus 2y dx. That is dy by dx is equal to minus 2y upon x. Okay, say this as equation number first. Now we use substitution. Put y is equal to v into x. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. Therefore, we can write here derivative of this y, derivative of y dy by dx is equal to derivative of v into x by using product rule. V as it is, derivative of x is 1 plus x as it is, derivative of v dv by dx. That is, we get dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now put this value of dy by dx and value of y in equation first. Then equation 1 becomes dy by dx means v plus x into dv by dx equal to minus 2 y means vx upon x. Now this x cancel out. Now write down remaining terms here. V plus x into dv by dx is equal to minus 2v. That is x into dv by dx is equal to minus 2v. Take this term to the RHS. This become minus v. Then we can write here x into dv by dx is equal to minus 3v. Okay, now we can take terms of v to the LHS and terms of x to the RHS. Therefore we can write here minus 1 upon 3v into dv is equal to minus 1 upon x into dx. Okay, this is the variable separable form for the given differential equation. We can take integration here. Taking integration on both sides, we can write here integral 1 upon 3 into v dv is equal to minus integral of 1 upon x dx. Integral of 1 upon v dv. Now here derivative of denominator at the numerator. Derivative of v with respect to v is 1, and here also derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Therefore we can use here corollary. Now first we can write here integral of 1 upon v dv is equal to, take this 3 to the RHS, minus 3 into integral of 1 upon x dx. Since integral of f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to log of f of x plus c. Using this corollary, we can write the integration of these two integral. Integration of this log v equal to minus 3 into integral of 1 upon x log x plus constant of integration log c. Okay, that is, we can write here log v, take this term to the LHS, plus 3 log x equal to log c. Now we use formula for logarithm here. Since a into log b is equal to log b raised to a. Okay, we use formula here. Therefore, we can write log v plus log x raised to 3 equal to log c. Again, we can use formula for logarithm. Log a plus log b equal to log a into b. Therefore, we can write here log of v into x square is equal to log c. Okay. Now here log cancel out, remains only v into x square equal to c. Okay. Now we can put here value of v. Put value of v from equation y equal to x. That is, we can write here value of v is y upon x. Put v is equal to y upon x in equation 2. In equation 2. Therefore, y upon x into x square is equal to c. Now here x cancel, remains only y into x is equal to c. So this is equation number 3. This is the general solution for the given differential equation. Now we use condition here, put x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Put x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Therefore, this equation becomes x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 into 2 equal to c. Okay. Therefore, here x cube. Therefore, we can write here x cube here x square. Value of x equal to 2. Therefore, we can write x square. That is 1 into 2 square means 4 equal to c. That is, we get value of c is equal to 4. Put this value of c in equation 3rd. Put in equation 3rd. Put in equation 3. Therefore, we can write here y into x square is equal to 4. This is the required particular solution for the given differential equation. Okay. Now we see next example here. One more example. Our next example is solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation x square plus y square into dx minus 2xy into dy. 2xy into dy equal to 0. To given here values of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Okay. Now answer for this. Consider given differential equation, which is homogeneous differential equation of order 2 or degree 2. This is the homogeneous equation of degree 2. X square plus y square into dx minus 2xy dy equal to 0. That is, x square plus y square into dx is equal to 2xy into dy. We have to find value of dy by dx. Dy by dx, keep this term as it is, dy upon dx equal to, we can write here, x square plus y square upon 2xy. Say this as equation number first. Okay, now we put here value of y is equal to vx. Put y equal to vx, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, we can write derivative here. Derivative of y, dy by dx. Derivative of vx, v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. That is, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Put these values in equation first. Therefore, equation 1 becomes v plus x into dv by dx equal to x square plus y square. X square as it is, value of y is vx, therefore we can write here v square x square upon 2 into x into y. 2 into x into y means vx. Okay, that is, we can write here v plus x into dv by dx equal to, take x square common at the numerator, x square into 1 plus v square, 1 plus v square upon 2 into v into x square. Now this x square cancel out, remains only v plus x into dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon 2v upon 2v. That is, v plus x into dv by dx equal to, we can take v to the other side here, x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square upon 2v minus v. Now taking addition, we can write here x into dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square minus 2v into v, 2v square upon 2v into 1, 2v. That is, x into dv by dx is equal to, we can write here v square minus 2v square means minus v square, 1 minus v square upon 2v. Okay, we can write here terms of v to the LHS and terms of x to the RHS. Therefore, 2v upon 1 minus v square into dv equal to 1 upon x into dx. Okay, this is the variable separable form for the given differential equation. Now taking integration here, taking integration on both sides, we can write here integral of 2v upon 1 minus v square dv is equal to integral of 1 upon x into dx. Now here also we want to the derivative of denominator at numerator. Derivative of denominator is 1, derivative of 1 is 0, 0 minus 2v. We want here minus 2v, therefore multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1 here. We can write minus into integral of minus 2v upon 1 minus v square into dv is equal to integral of 1 upon x into dx. That is, we can write integral minus 2v upon 1 minus v square dv equal to minus integral 1 upon x into dx. Okay. Now using corollary, integral of f dash of x upon f of x dx equal to log of f of x plus c. We can write integration of these two integrals. Log of 1 minus v square equal to minus log x plus log c, constant of integration log c. That is, we can write here log of 1 minus v square plus log x is equal to log c. Now use formula here, logarithm. Log a plus log b is equal to log of a into b. Okay, that is, we can write here log of in square bracket 1 minus v square into x is equal to log c. Now log is cancelled out, remains only 1 minus v square into x is equal to c. Okay, now we put value of v here. Put v is equal to y upon x. We write here put v equal to y upon x. Put v equal to y upon x. Therefore this equation becomes 1 minus v means y upon x, that is y square upon x square into x equal to c. Okay, simplifying this, x square minus y square upon x square into x equal to c. Okay, that is, this x cancel out, remains only x square minus y square upon x equal to c. This is the general solution for the given differential equation. Now we use condition here, x equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Put x equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Therefore in equation 2, therefore we can write x square, 2 square means here 4, minus 0 upon x equal to 2 is equal to c. Therefore c is equal to 4 upon 2 means 2. Put this value of c in equation 2 again. Put in equation 2. Therefore we can write here x square minus y square upon x is equal to value of c is 2. That is, x square minus y square is equal to 2x. This is the required particular solution for the given differential equation. Okay, we stop here. Thank you.